How to add folders on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add folder on iPhone. So let's begin. For the very first step, make sure first that your iOS is up to date. If not, please go to the Settings app and then go to General. Once you're in General, make sure also that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data. And then go to Software Update, wait for it to load, and simply click on Download and Install found on the bottommost part of the page. And then assuming that you have done that already, what I would like you to do now is to simply press and hold on a specific app. So there are actually two ways in adding a folder. So the first one is the folder on your home screen or the folder on your files. So let's just go with the folder on the home screen. So first is by pressing and holding to an app, for example, this one. I'll press and hold on it, and then I'll simply drag to whichever app that I want. So, for example, I want Twitter to be inside a folder with Discord. So press and hold on Twitter, and then direct Twitter to Discord. So as you can see right here, there is a change in the color of Discord, or it has been quite transparent like this one. So you can see right there. So simply release it and then they will be inside a folder like this one. So if you want to remove them from a folder, simply press and hold once again and then drag them out of the folder that you are having. So again, press and hold to a specific app, direct it to whichever app that you want, and then like that one, it will be inside a folder. And as you can see, there's also a um, an automatic name right here. You may also change the name by clicking on the name right here as well. For the second one, you may go to Files right here, and then you may choose either on iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. And then right here, you may click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on New Folder right here. Um, Type in the name that you want, and then click on Done, and then that's it. That's how you can add folder on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.